Can Polkadot gain traction in 2024 by enhancing NFT capabilities? A new proposal aims to fund improved minting, metadata, yield opportunities, and accessibility to attract digital collectibles activity. While Polkadot facilitates interoperability between chains, it has minimal NFT presence currently. Yet niche trade volumes have steadily grown. If passed, the upgrades could smooth obstacles for asset creation and swapping as interest expands. Welcome back to Digital Financial Freedom. Let's uncover Polkadot's S. Polkadot has proposed expanded funding to grow native NFT capabilities and improve newcomer onboarding within its asset hub. This OpenGov Referendum 377 requests resources to bolster Polkadot's currently limited NFT ecosystem compared to leading chains. While Polkadot's development activity dipped slightly this holiday season, its NFT metrics have remained resilient. Total NFT trades and trade volumes in USD registered noticeable spikes in December despite tepid broader crypto markets. This is a promising sign given Polkadot does not have an established NFT presence yet. If passed, the proposal aims to drive adoption by enhancing Polkadot's NFT functionality and user experience. By allocating developer resources towards Asset Hub upgrades tailored for digital collectibles, the goal is smoother creation and trading plus attractive yield opportunities. So 2024 could mark a breakout year for Polkadot's NFT vertical as specialized infrastructure falls into place on a base of already rising niche activity. Extending capabilities just as interest expands could lead Polkadot's NFT scene to finally gain some traction. The official proposal mentioned, by closing critical gaps like limited minting, metadata modularity, interoperability, documentation, and more, Asset Hub can transform into the welcoming hub for the next generation of digital ownership innovation on Polkadot. Meanwhile, Polkadot's DOT token has climbed over 65% in the past month amid the NFT ecosystem proposal. DOT recently traded around $8.52 with a $11 billion market cap. Data from CoinGlass reveals DOT funding rates remained elevated as prices rose. This signals derivatives traders actively buying up exposure despite DOT pushing into overbought zones over $8. The daily chart shows high Bollinger Band volatility and a relative strength index above 50, indicating room for more upside. However, a bearish moving average convergence-divergence crossover suggests potential for a counter-trend pullback as DOT cools off. So while positive developer activity and improving NFT building blocks could support DOT's 2024 outlook if passed, short-term indicators reflect an overextended token possibly due for a correction. DOT may require consolidating December's rapid gains before sustaining higher highs. Polkadot is a blockchain platform seen by some as an Ethereum killer due to advanced features. It aims to solve scalability and interoperability limitations of earlier cryptos by enabling multiple chains to seamlessly share data and tokens in a decentralized way. Key innovations that set Polkadot apart from competing smart contract platforms include parallel processing of transactions across a multi-chain network, strong security assurances across shards and parachains, advanced decentralized governance capabilities, mechanisms for automating and coordinating code changes and upgrades. The native DOT token powers the ecosystem and is used for payments, network administration, staking rewards, fees, and more, aligning incentives around maintaining a functional Web3 environment. By leveraging Polkadot's core design principles, multiple blockchains can now trustlessly share information in a unified environment, overcoming previous fragmentation. Unique features. Polkadot's unique architecture and design help it stand out from other cryptocurrencies in several ways, contributing to its recent price appreciation. Several features set Polkadot apart, including interoperability. Polkadot uniquely enables communication between different blockchains, decentralized apps, and services. This allows assets to transfer between chains, improving liquidity. Scalability. Sharding technology lets Polkadot scale transaction capacity without compromising speed or security. Governance. Polkadot has a transparent on-chain governance model that gives stakeholders more control through decentralized decision-making. Security. The multi-chain design improves redundancy and fault tolerance for enhanced cyber resilience. Overall, Polkadot brings highly innovative designs and architectures not seen in predecessors like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Features that facilitate interchain operability, collaborative development, and decentralized upgrades help position it as a next-generation ecosystem for Web3. As Polkadot continues introducing new capabilities not possible with previous siloed blockchains, recognition of its long-term potential could buoy its native DOT token higher. Real-world utility remains key, but the platform shows promise. How secured is the Polkadot network? Polkadot uses a nominated proof-of-stake (NPOS) consensus model to secure transactions and network operations. In NPOS, DOT holders nominate and elect validator candidates to verify activity and add new blocks. Decentralized, stake-weighted voting rather than POW mining power dictating oversight. Validators must behave honestly or face penalties, including stake cuts that incentivize proper alignment. Additionally, Polkadot's multi-chain design localizes risk. Each parachain has its own validators, so single points of failure don't cascade. This separation of duties plus spreading influence out through nominee voting helps make Polkadot harder to compromise than centralized models. Attacks require simultaneity across shards managed by distinct governance sets, increasing robustness. So through crypto economic accountability, plus distributed security responsibilities, NPOS allows Polkadot to coordinate chain-specific interests under the umbrella of an overarching validator community elected by and representing DOT stakeholders. Polkadot DOT circulation. Currently around 1 billion DOT tokens are circulating out of a maximum supply of 1.1 billion. The Web3 Foundation holds the remaining 100 million DOT from the capped total. This allocation of nearly 10% to Web3 aims to incentivize continued stewardship and development of the Polkadot ecosystem as a key stakeholder. Their significant long-term token position ties the Foundation's interests to the success of Polkadot as a network. As usage and awareness of Polkadot's capabilities grow over time, increasing demand for the limited DOT supply available could positively impact Polkadot's value. However, ensuring real-world utility to drive that adoption remains an execution challenge in these early stages. So while Polkadot laid strong foundations as an interoperable base layer, the path to multifaceted dApp deployment relies on builders and investors recognizing its potential at scale. The protocol must still prove itself through competitive differentiation on shared security and composability. Since launching in 2020, Polkadot's DOT token has seen major volatility, ranging from $2.68 up to $50 in that first year before settling around $30 for much of 2021. Price shifts have largely correlated with overall crypto market sentiment. DOT did see a noticeable surge in 2022 as parachain auctions kicked off and investor interest grew around interoperability. However, Polkadot remains a highly speculative asset with minimal current utility relative to its $11 billion market cap. Moving forward, prices will likely continue responding to crypto's regulatory environment and how fast developers build on and integrate with Polkadot versus competing layers like Ethereum. Mainstream adoption is still lacking despite a promising technology vision. Ultimately, Polkadot aims to power a full decentralized internet, but it remains in its early stages. As milestones pass, converting potential to reality, speculation should give way to stable returns. Polkadot aims high, to be the backbone enabling a fully decentralized internet. Its vision of seamless communication between blockchains holds much promise. Yet despite robust technology, real-world use cases remain lacking. This leaves DOT trading mostly on potential rather than current utility. Execution is key, but difficult. To drive returns, Polkadot must pass milestones, proving competitive differentiation. If parachains and bridges falter, Polkadot may stay a concept rather than catalyst. If Polkadot succeeds in securing parachain slots for NFT-focused projects and building developer buzz around digital asset composability, could it emerge as a destination for the next generation of collectibles? Or will innovation remain fragmented across multiple blockchain niches? Let me know in the comments section. And that wraps up this breakdown on Polkadot's ambitions to advance NFT capabilities and carve out a niche in digital collectibles. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe to Digital Financial Freedom for more insights and updates on Polkadot and other altcoin projects seeking to reshape decentralized finance and Web3 spheres.